So first I am going to thin out her nails. So I'm using my electric nail file to do that. And this drill bit is coarse, so I'm making sure to remove the bulk of the product. That way my soaking process can be faster. Now that I have some of that product off, I am going to go in with my favorite method to remove acrylic nails, and make sure that you check that video out. After I let that sit for a little while, I'm going to gently remove that acrylic and reapply it. And as I go from hand to hand, no time is really lost. Make sure that you check my website out. Now I'm going to push back her cuticles and remove any of that dead skin. If all of the acrylic does not come off, that is perfectly fine. It's okay to leave a nice thin layer of acrylic on the natural nail, but if that acrylic is lifting or anything like that, it needs to come off. Here I'm just go ahead and getting her nails into the shape that she wants them, as well as etching the nail plate. If you are enjoying this video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget to turn your notification bell on so that you will be notified each time I post a new video. I like to make sure I get around that cuticle area very well because we don't want to cause any lifting. If you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you go do that today. Now I'm going to go in with my dehydrator and my primer. And all of this make sure that the acrylic can adhere to the nail properly. I like to apply 2 to 3 coats of primer and then a fresh coat right before I apply the acrylic. I also like to let my acrylic set up and then come back if I see anything that needs to be added. I want to get a nice layer of acrylic, not too thick and not too thin. She wanted a really natural look, a natural overlay. Like I said, I'm using the Mia Secret Cover Pink acrylic. With the Mia Secret liquid monomer, and the brush I'm using is from alphabrush.com. It is the number 8. So after I do the thumbnail, I'm just going to go back and double check all of the nails and add anything if I see that I need to. Now I'm going to file, buff, and shape the nails. Now I'm going to apply one of my favorite glitter polishes. And if you apply this on top of anything, it will take it to the next step. The Mia Secret does have a few glitter particles in it, so this just made everything more sparkly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure that you subscribe and come back for the next video.